Welcome back to Drumming with Josh. I'm Josh, and in this video we're talking about singles, doubles, and triples. These three terms will be used to explain most patterns we'll work with. This video will use some concepts found in the basic strokes video, so if you haven't checked that out, click the link above. Once you're ready, grab some sticks and let's get into it. Let's start with singles. To play singles, alternate between both hands. We'll begin with a full stroke with our dominant hand, followed by a full stroke with our offhand. Let's repeat this for a bit. Now this goes by many names. I refer to them as singles, but they're also known as single strokes, alternating strokes, and they are the foundation of the single stroke roll. A quick practice for this is to play with both hands together, followed by both hands alternating. Let's try this together, beginning with our hands together. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, as the name single implies a single note per hand, you might guess that doubles has 2 notes per hand. You would have guessed right. Beginning with our dominant hand, let's play 2 full strokes, followed by 2 full strokes with our offhand. Let's repeat this for a bit. This concept is the foundation for the double stroke roll, and you may hear these referred to as diddles. Let's use the same practice that we did for singles. We'll play with both hands together, followed by both hands alternating. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. Little faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. As singles are 1 note per hand and doubles are 2 note per hand, triples are 3 notes per hand. Same as before, beginning with our dominant hand, let's play 3 full strokes, followed by 3 full strokes with our offhand. Let's repeat this for a bit. This concept is the foundation of the triple stroke roll, and you might hear these referred to as triplets or threes. Continuing with the same practice that we've used before, let's play with both hands together, followed by both hands alternating. Nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Most rhythms can be broken down into singles, doubles, and triples. As you learn new patterns and rudiments, try to identify singles, doubles, and triples in your practice. Now that you have these terms to describe patterns, join me for a guided practice session. Thanks again for watching. If you find this content helpful, please share it with a friend, and let me know what you think in the comments below. New videos are available each week, so hit that bell for notifications. Till next time.